hotel room tour. Motel 6. It's not that bad of a room. We been here for a good while now. A little desk. This one has 2 beds. AC unit. TV. Microwave. Fridge. And then this one has, like, one of those doors that you can go into the next room if, you had somebody that was, staying next to you and you wanted to have an adjoining room. Little kitchen area, I guess you can call it, since, it has a bathroom sink. Then here's the bathroom. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I can't turn on the lights since we don't have electricity right now because of the snow. But, yeah. I'm just using the, natural light from outside. Not bad for today, but still sucks. First snow of the freaking year. And it's not coming down as bad as earlier because, it's about to stop snowing, but my car's right there. And we got at least probably, I would say, a foot of snow. Foot of snow on the ground, and that's what we got. I can show you a little bit more right here. Yep. Pretty cold out here. It's supposed to be like 30 degrees, but they say it's like 20. Feels like 20 degrees and whatnot. So, yeah. Just a little update for you guys. It's just crazy to think that, they said we're supposed to only get 2 to 4 inches, and we ended up getting all this. And I understand that it's not as bad as some places. They get a whole bunch of snow. Like the upper states and like New York and, Minnesota and all that. But here in Virginia, it's like, I wasn't expecting to get almost basically a foot of snow. We just got off Christmas break. I was supposed to go to work today. And you can see those power lines right over there. They're blowing. Because at first it was ice and then it turned into snow. But yeah, I just want to give you guys a little update. And I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.